Hello everyone, welcome back to the Action RPG lessons. In this challenge lesson, you'll create a brand new enemy that moves around the screen using random directions. First, add the Evil Tree class, and find the sprite for it in the Asset Store. Set up the Evil Tree's sprite and set its scales to 2. Next, add 5 variables. A direction that equals up, a move timer that equals 0, a health that equals 3, and a speed that equals 1. Finally, add an invincibility timer of 0. Inside the loop, check the direction variable and move in that direction. And once again, use the speed to move. Next, add the collision with the sword slash. When he collides with the sword, reduce his health and set his invincibility timer to 30. These will be very similar to how the bat works. Next, count up the move timer. If that move timer reaches 100, pick a random number between 1 and 4. Set the direction variable based on that result. And don't forget to reset the move timer after. Finally, in the player loop, add a collision with the evil tree and cause the player to lose health. This will be very similar to the collision with the bat. Try your hand at figuring this out before moving on to the next lesson. Good luck!